In the name of God. Hello, my dear friends. I'm Rosa, and today I'm going to teach you how to make these ball pillows. As you see, it is a complete sphere. I put the link of the pattern of these pillows in the caption. You can download it and print it. What do we need for making this sphere cushion or pillow? I use this fabric. As you see, it stretches a little from this way, but not from this way. Scissors, pen, and these are my patterns that I use them. I will put the link here so you can download it and print it and have it. I will use it in front of you. This is for big sphere pillow and this is for a small sphere pillow. And also we need about 1 kilogram of polyester fibers for filling the pillow. I cut the fabric and the pattern, 8 of these as you see, and 8 of this small one. Now I'm going to sew it. Now I'm starting to sew. I use a 4-thread overlock sewing machine, and I'll start with a small cushion. As you see, I signed the top. Put them together. Sign about 0.5 centimeters here and start to sew. Again, another one. Top. Continue this way to complete 8 pieces, and then at end you should leave an opening here about 7 centimeters for filling the pillow with polyester fibers. I will sew the big one the same as this one. I will sew them together and then fill it in front of you. Okay, as you see, I finished sewing the 8 pieces together. This is the head, and this is the tail, and this is the gap for filling. This is the big one. 8 pieces, the head, the tail, and the gap. And start to fill it with polyester fibers. I will fill the big one too and start to sew here in front of you. So continue watching. Okay, as you see, I finished filling these ball pillows, and now I'm going to sew these two together in front of you. This is the big one, about 27 diameter, and this is the small one, about 23 diameter. Watch sewing these. I will sew it in front of you. Okay, as you see, I finished making these two ball pillows. Here is the seam that I sewed with my hand with a yarn and a needle, and there's a leader that I attached here. It is such a nice ball pillow, so try to make it at home and enjoy having that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you for watching.